Now it's clear for takeoff. After airborne 251 Manila.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do thank you very much for your attention, and now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the takeoff. The captain has made tower communications available, so if you'd like to monitor the air traffic system, you'll find that on channel 9 and your